Hey you guys, I just wanted to pop in really quick and show you a project I was working on today. I made this little Christmas tree. This will just sit on a mantle or, like a coffee table or something. And I was playing around with the computer and made some templates. This is the templates for this Christmas tree. This is not the final template. I'm still tinkering with it. I might change some things. But the template, basically, it's a Christmas tree that has a cutout on the bottom, and then the same Christmas tree, but this time has a cutout to the top. And this one has dots in here because this was some acrylic that I cut on cribbage board and I had the wrong settings, so I had that acrylic to play around with. So when you cut those two pieces from those templates, you end up with this Christmas tree with a cutout on the bottom, this one with a cutout on the top. And then they interlock like this, and you get this freestanding 3D Christmas tree. And like I said, I'm planning on making these guys in 3 different sizes. I'm gonna have large, this will be the large one. I'm gonna have a medium and a small because I think it's cute when they are staggered in 3 different sizes. I might change the shape a little bit. Like I said, I'm still playing around with the design, but I think it's going to be super cute. Will they sell? I have no idea. I've never made these guys before, but I'm planning on making them for this Christmas. And what I like about these guys is that, people buy them, they use them for display, and then at the end of the season, they can just store it flat and it doesn't take much space. Also, because they do go flat when you take them apart, it will make it easier to ship and cheaper because you can use a flatter box. But super, super cool. And I'm gonna keep playing with it, make a few of them, and then I'll be back. And if it all works out, which I think it will, I will have the templates available. That's it, just a quick check-in. I'll see you in my next video.